Um, my name's Jack Dockrell. I'm intern at Bridgeport Corey. I go to Virginia Tech, and I'm a mining engineering major. So I've had a couple different projects I've worked on. So one of which is production tracker. So it basically is just like taking together all of the metrics for the amount of rock we produce, and then combining that with the amount of downtime and like lost sales we have there. And so just getting an idea of basically how we're doing as a plant and how we can improve and what's costing us money and what we could put money into to make more money down the road, to make more rock and produce more. So that was one of the bigger projects I've been working on. I've also worked on a water reroute project, which is still in the works and hopefully gets passed off to someone else after I leave. But it's relocating a bunch of water lines to be able to manage our water better, have more water going to the plant, as well as use different ponds that are closer and try to reduce the amount of pipe we have at the plant that's being used. And then I've also been inventorying all the parts we have at Bridgeport. It's a big quarry, so there's a lot of things you need on the ground to keep it running and keep things moving. So I've been trying to keep a good track of what we have and training people so that when I go, they can keep up with all their needs. So motors, any equipment, parts, anything that would cause the plant to go down and you'd have to buy it to go back up. So keeping track of all that stuff. My key takeaway would probably be that I guess you could say adaptability. So learning to overcome stuff, especially when you really don't foresee it. So I mean, I hear like stuff could happen that you think is like locked down solid. So for instance, like you just replace a shaker and then something else on the shaker could go bad like the next day and you never see it coming. So definitely being able to take some adversity and then work with it to fix a problem in the least amount of time possible. So adaptability is probably my key takeaway this summer.